And here we are in the playoffs. Phoenix versus Bolts. Wild card game. Whoever wins faces the Sharks. I'm Joey Hyatt, and I'm going to pretend to be your commentator today. Adam on the mound facing Gabby. 4-0 now. There's a strike, and it's 4-1. And that'll be a walk. Or what? Steamy. 3-2. Swung on, hitting the air to left center field and deep. Back goes Adams to the fence. That ball is gone. It's a 2-run homer for Tegan Murda, and it is quickly 2-0 Bolts. One and one. 2-2. Got him. One down. 1-1. 1-2. The 1-2 pitch. Got him. 2 down. There's a fastball. There's a changeup. Excuse me. There's a fastball, and it's 1-2. Not quite, and that's ball 4. 1-1. 1-2. Got him, and that's the end of the inning. There's a strike, and it's 3-1. 3-2 on what should have been ball 4. And it hits him, and that'll walk in a run. Fouled straight back, it'll be 1-1 now. And that'll walk in another run, and the game is tied 2-2. Swung on and missed, 0-2. Got him. End of the inning. Off the inning, once again, will be Gabby. She walked in her last plate appearance. There's one on the outside corner, 0-1. There's another one, 0-2. Change up, got her, strike 3. On and missed, 2-2. Fastball, bottom of the zone, got him, 2 down. Fouled back, it's 0-1. Ooh. Swung on, popped up near the first base territory. First base is under it to make the catch, and that will be the end of the inning. So here we are, bottom of the second inning. The game is tied at 2. That's his right elbow, not his left. Popped up near the mound. Berta is under it to make the catch, and that is 1 gone. That is a walk into Isaac. Swung on and dribbled a bit back. It'll be 1-1. Another curveball, and now he's in the hole. 1-2. Slider Carter got him. 2 down now. Strike. There's a strike, and we're gonna have a full count here. Got him. And that is the end of the inning, and we're gonna keep it tied here going into the third. Top of the third inning. The game is tied at 2. Adam is on the mound looking for a complete game, facing Ethan. Got him. 1 and 2, and he's not even lifting the bat off his shoulder for this one. Got him. Fastball, as expected. What was that? Got him! 1 and 1. Change up, 2 and 2. Got him! That's the end of the inning. Our bottom of the third inning. The score is still tied at 2. Ooh, close. There's a curveball. 4 now. Swung on and missed. 0 and 1. Or swing at something in the zone, as that makes it a full count. Got him! 1 gone. There's a curveball, and he waits on it, fouls it back. It's 1 and 1. There's another one, and it's going to be 3-2. Swung on and missed. Got him. 2 down now. No. No, for Jackson, that's 0 and 1. 0 and 2. Got him! Got him. I'll cover you. We don't need it there. Anyway. Yeah. Got her. Oh, damn. You almost tripped it. Got him. That's the end. Two and 1. Got him. There's a strike. On the ground to first, picked up by Ethan. He will not have a play, and everyone's going to be safe. There's a strike, 2 and 1. High in the air and deep to left. Jackson's under it. He will make the catch. No one is going to go. McCade could have gone and won the game, but no. Swung on, hit in the air to center field and deep. Eric is under it. He drops the ball. He dropped the ball. And the Phoenix win it on an error.